unfortunately, I have not set up the movement fully yet, but I'm getting there. But I said I would stream at 1. So, wait, Ethan, I'm assuming. So, just give me a little bit.
Now we have our collision shape. Tree was physics.
I apologize. I will be making sure to, player access log. Not partition. Oh. Da, da, da. Okay, cool. Why is my code different than his? Oh. No! 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 I've been thinking about calling the game GRAMP, but also it kind of sounds like Grandpa, so I don't know. Because it's like a grappling hook game. I want you to be able to play with like a lightsaber that extends into like a thing. Why is this script different than mine? That's what I don't understand.
Physics object out and use language to move the attach script textual window. This will change.
What? Why is this here? Why is the float void there, though? Huh? Huh? Float void. I'll just try it without that. Maybe this is old Godot.
Our main screen for the first
I hope this will
time.
work still.
Instead of seeing the 3D viewport as usual, we can now see the script's unique script setting 3D to this function. No matter how indented,
I've already seen this part.
allowed to leave a function empty, so pass player character.
Okay, var input. Alright.
To forwards.
What? Okay, UI, okay. UI, up! I'll figure out how to make that W's and date later. How do I, okay.
If this up button is pressed, the get action strength function gives us a value of 1.0. Otherwise, it returns 0.0 and the player will not move.
Otherwise.
So now,
yeah, shout out to this guy, Bramwell.
our variable input is either 1.0 if the
He's
up arrow
explained
is
all
pressed,
this really well.
or 0.0 if it isn't.
Apply central force, input.
Apply central force is a function of the rigid body 3.
Forward, okay. Input star vector 3 dot forward. Apply central force. I forgot everything already. Okay, input input star which one's star? Star vector 3 dot forward. Vector 3 dot forward. Let's go, dude. Okay, doesn't error anymore. Nice.
3D itself. It lets us apply a force in a 3D direction.
Oh yeah. So Yeah?
I want you to help clean up too, okay?
Oh, right now?
Well, Brody's gonna start now, so if he needs help him, okay?
Alright, I guess I gotta end stream early then. But we made it a whole, dude, 5 minutes. Let's go. No, I don't have to end it right now, but soon. That's my own stream. It's not the tutorial video. I hate how streams do that.
Direction. 3D directions are represented by the vector 3 object.
Delta again. 0.0 star delta. I don't know what the stars do. I should probably learn, but this freaking tutorial guy isn't gonna help me. Okay.
And vector 3 dot forward gives us a vector 3 pointing forwards.
Let's go!
The asterisk symbol means we are multiplying the
Oh!
velocity by the
There we go. Okay, cool.
1200.0 that comes
This is
after.
gonna be impossible to make
This
actually
makes
fun.
the force we apply larger.
This
so the
coding,
player
at
will
least.
move further forwards
boring.
when the button is pressed.
So.
We need to multiply the force by delta.
We need to multiply the source by delta.
With different frame rates. When the button is not pressed, multiplying the direction by 0.0 will give us
My
no
mouse is
velocity.
breaking, so that's lovely. I have to click it multiple times
This
before it
force
does
applies
anything.
every frame, and combined with the mass of our rigid body 3D, gives us a forward velocity when the up arrow is held. To test this script, we need to save the scene. In the top bar, click the Scene drop-down and select Save Scene.
Or, watch this. Hold on. You do Control S.
The
It's
Save
like
Scene
1,000
as
times
prompt should automatically name the file what our root node is called, player.scene. Click Save.
Alright, mate.
This player is now a scene we can see down in the scene tree. Double-click on level.scene in the scene tree to reopen that scene. Then, in the top bar, click the 3D main screen button to return our view to 3D.
3D-ness.
Now, we can add the player scene to the level.
Now, we can add the players.
Click on the root of the level scene in the scene tree to select it. Right.
This guy, okay, when he first was talking about capsule, like the bean shape, he said capsule twice, and then he said capsule. He's
Click
so British.
on player.scene down in the file system
sorry, he's so British.
and select Instantiate from the drop-down.
Instantiate.
Instantiating a scene creates a copy of
Instantiating.
that scene as a child of the currently selected node. Now the player will be visible in the level.
Poggers. Okay, oh yeah, I should probably make like a floor or whatever. Oh, I have to add like freaking camera. Bro, I can't. It's so annoying. Oh wait, I already added the camera. Look, one. Oh, one. Okay, hold on. One. Crap, it's not doing it anymore. 1, 2.
But there are a few things we need to clean up.
Wait, which one did I need to do? Oh, I think it was this one. Instantiate. That was 2 clicks also. Wait, is there a mesh instance there? Oh, hold on. I need to add a flip darn mother heckin' mesh instance. If you didn't know, mesh instance makes something. I accidentally turned my auto clicker on. What is a grid map? I'll be deleting that. Mesh instance actually makes like an object like real, like visible. I need to make big. New. I guess new box mesh. Geometry. What would you do? Geometry. Geometry dash. Bound. I know, oh, new plane mesh. There we go. Where was it? New plane mesh. Yo, let us commence fourth. We are commencing fourth currently. Yar.
Up before we can start running the scene. First, our player is clipping through the floor in the middle of the viewport. This makes sense, as the player's center is in the middle of their 3D. So we need to raise.
What does that sound like?
3D.
Lovely. Sounds great.
Raise the player up. Select the player node, and in the inspector,
It might get
find
cooler
the
soon.
transform section and expand it. Set the positions Y.
Here, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna guess what he's about to do. Just a wild guess, but he might do that.
Value to 2 to raise the player above the floor.
I mean, sorry, I meant to do, see, I'm genius, bro.
And the Z value
Literally
to
genius.
-2, so the player is in front of the camera.
The Z value. Hold on. I don't see a Z value. Where's the Z value? No, I don't exactly see the Z value. Dun 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 dun. Love you, Dad.
If we run the scene now,
If we
our player will fall straight through.
Oh, so it automatically implements gravity? That's sick. Why is my gravity slower? I don't know. Do I need to move? I might need to move the camera up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Beam. Hold on. Let me try and guess what he's about to do. That'll be dead. I know. Okay, hold on. Does that actually work? Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, let me undo all that.
The floor. This is because our floor is just a mesh and not a physics body like the player.
Oh, wait, I know why it is that. It's because it's a rigid body.
On the level
That's actually
scene,
sick.
select the floor mesh instance
Yay.
3D, then at the top of the viewport, click the mesh context button and select create tri-mesh.
Tri-mesh. Make create a tri-mesh. Oh, that's so nice. It just like does it for me. Absolute beaut. That's perfect. Bean. We have a bean. As Danny once said.
Static body
Bean.
from the drop-down menu. This creates a static body 3D as a child of the mesh itself.
I got spit all over my microphone.
A static body 3D is the kind of physics body Godot uses. It's intended for objects that do not move. Now, if we run the scene with the play current scene button in the top bar, when the game runs, the player will fall to the floor and stay there.
Let's go, dude! The
If
player
we
will
push
fall to the
up
floor and
arrow on
stay
the
there.
keyboard, the player should then hurl themselves.
Yo! Wait, hold on. It's slippery. Whee! Beanson.
Off of the platform. Most of the modern game A, S, and D arrow keys for most modern games do not use arrow keys for movement, instead opting for the W, A, S, and D keys. To set this up, we need to configure input events.
Why is it not called a double V? It's like two V's.
Godot lets you access every input the user
Godot.
makes, but for convenience, multiple input devices, and to easier group events, you can use the input map, which lets you mark a specific event with a name. You can even make multiple inputs trigger the same event. For example, both the spacebar and A button on controllers triggering a jump. In the top bar, click the Project drop-down and select Project Settings.
Project Settings!
Then at the top of the Project Settings window, click the Input Map tab. The UI up event we listened to for movement is defined here.
I've done this before, I just don't remember how.
Click the Show Built-in Actions toggle to see all the predefined actions you can listen to. In the Add New Action bar at the top, type move_forward and hit Enter, or click the Add button. This creates an input event called Move Forward that we can attach inputs to. On the right of the Move Forward input event, click the plus button to open the event configuration window. In this window, you can either select the input you want from the drop-down menus, or push the actual input for the event you want. If you push the W key, the panel will update to show the W key, and that it detected a physical
it does?
key press.
Well, dude, I gotta try this. Oh, I just realized! You got USS Counter. No! The world has fallen. Ah. No! The world has fallen. How do you spell? Ah! Ah! Close. What did I do? Move forward. What? What did I do? I'm hoping that won't break.
And hit Enter.
No, dude, it's a real place. I didn't know it was a real place.
Or click the Add button.
Ooh.
This creates an input event called Move Forward that
No
we
way,
can
it does.
attach inputs to. On the right of the Move Forward input event, click the plus button to open the event configuration window. In this window, you can either select the input you want from the drop-down menus, or push the actual input for the event you want. If you push the W key, the panel will update to show the W key, and that it detected the input you key press. Click OK to confirm this is the input you want, and now whenever the W key is pressed in-game, the Move Forward event will trigger, which we...
Wait, 1 second. Script. Wait, what? If input is actually just cool. Okay, it works now. That's actually flipping
You can look
sick,
up
yo.
my name. Repeat the process for move left, with the A key, move right with the D key, and move back.
Project settings. Put back. Move left. Move right. Move back. Move left. A. Move right. D. Move back. S. What's S? Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Back with the S key. You can now close the project settings window and return to the script screen.
This
Return
is
to
so
the script view
entertaining.
by clicking the script
This is a great
button
screen.
in the middle of the top bar.
You asked for this.
We now want our script to listen to all 4 inputs instead of just forwards. Delete the contents of the process function and replace it with the following.
var input.
We create a variable called input, and tell Godot it is a vector 3 containing
Let me just var input.
the 3 directions the player can move. Left and right on the x-axis, up and down on the y-axis, forward and back on the z-axis.
Z-axis.
Adding movement like
Input.x. Freaking what? Input.x. Is it underscore get axis? No. Input.x equals input.getAxis. Okay. Input.x equals get equals input.x equals input.getAxis. Input.get axis. Let's go. Okay. Move left. Move left. Move left. Move right.
like this is a
Why is it not good? Input.x. Oh. It's still wrong. Input.x equals input. Did I use the input.x? Why is it wrong?
common path.
What?
Up and down.
Why is it not the same?
On the y-axis, forward and back on the z-axis. Adding movement like this is a
Why is it not like autofill? Why? Help! Ugh!
Yeah.
Oh! Stop! Help! Why is his right but not mine? He's not declared it. Input that bit. Okay. Input that bit. Shouldn't that be declared or whatever?
Common task in Godot. So there is a helpful function built.
Yeah.
Oh. Is it just because this is empty? Input that scene.
Again.
Input that scene. Input dot get.
Axis function.
Access.
This function returns
Move.
minus 1.0 if the first
Move
input event is
forward.
detected.
Move back. Move forward. Move forward. Move back. So this one is fine, but this one isn't now.
1.0 if the second input event is detected, and 0.0 if neither or both
Apply central force input star.
events are detected.
Apply central force. Input star. Star delta. Error 13 expected. Help me. Help. Help me over here. Help. Oh, I forgot the equals, bro. Ah! I made everything worse. Help me. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh. Oh, right. Oh, wait. Is it because of this? That fixed everything. Bruh. Okay, dude, it was this. Get access call. Expect at least. But received one. You shouldn't have received one. There's two here. Right? I get an error. Oh, that's my thing.
detected. So, for the line input.x, second input event is detected.
Why is it receiving expected at least two but received one? There's two here. should be 2. Do I just have to rewrite it? Because of the thing? Oh, I know why. I need to separate the quotes. There we go, finally! Okay. Should that work now? Yo, let's go. Alright, cool. Oh god. Oh no. I'm pressing W and S right now. What have I done? Wait, did I do the... yeah, W, move forward, move left, move right, move back. What did I do wrong? Maybe I just gotta keep watching.
And 0.0 if neither or both events are detected. So, for the line input.x equals input.getAxis, move left, comma, move right, this code sets the x value of our 3D vector to 1.0 when we press the D key, or negative 1.0 we press the A key, otherwise leaving it at 0.0 if neither or both are pressed. After we get both of those axes, we are left with a vector 3 that can move our player in 3D space when they push the W, A, S or D keys. Running the level scene now will let you move the...
Why doesn't mine work, though? Shouldn't it work? No. I guess he deleted this. Maybe I gotta delete that. Save. No. Huh? I'm genuinely so confused. A and D do nothing. Maybe I did something wrong in the code. Let me track. Move left, move right, move back. Script. Oh, I forgot. Let's see. There we go. That was the issue. There we go. Now I got proper movement. Look at me go, boy. I'm slippery. I think that move. That's okay. Hold on. 1 second. I just want to try. Does that make it faster? Oh, yep. It definitely does. I think I fell off the map. Oh! How did I end up over there? What? I think 1,200 is a good speed. Unless. What happens if I add one more zero? Bye.
player around.
No! Please tell me it's saved. I think, okay, we're good. Oh my god, my Godot freaking crashed. That was scary. Maybe 1,500. Nah, it takes too long, I think. Whatever. I'll just keep it like that for now.
Around on the little platform. You may notice the movement is a little floaty. We can rectify this easily. Head back to the editor. Select the player in the scene tree and look in the inspector. Under the linear drop-down, find the damp option and set it to 3. Now, the player will lose velocity as they move.
Okay, so... Seed tree... where is it? Which one was it? Christ.
Move.
I'm just not gonna acknowledge that. Why am I so slow? I want to be fast.
To linear damping.
I do want less. I think I want it to be a bit less damp. I think that's good.
The higher this number is, the more forces will dampen. In third-person games, the
Will it make it slippery again if I put it up? 'Cause I want it to be faster, but I don't want it as slippery. Yeah, there we go.
camera is typically attached to the player and pivots around a point on them to keep the player in frame. Typically, a node's position is...
Alright, well I've set up the movement. I'm going to do all the adjustments to camera stuff later.